Well, hey, it's Farmer Dale coming to you from Saturday night out in the garden. Farmer Jenny and I just got back from eating a good little dinner and visiting our dads for Father's Day because, hey, we're going on vacation next week and we've got Farmer Cole, our son, we call him Farmer Cole, I guess, now for this week, and then Farmer David Smith from the church. He's one of our ministers. And they're going to come out here and check on in our garden and pick it every day and take care of it. But hey, look behind me right here. Look at this corn. Woo! It's almost as tall, right as tall as I am, just about. It's looking good. So this is our peaches and cream. It's been a couple weeks since I've done a video, and this stuff has really taken off. So it's doing really well. We're going to walk over here. We've been selling a ton of squash and zucchini. And we've, what else? Cucumbers. So I want to show you a little bit about what's going on down here in the back part of our garden. We've got our second planting of cucumbers. We've got our second planting of cucumbers and squash, and we got some butternut squash. We got some more okra over there. And then we planted some more purple hull peas and lima beans, butter beans over there. So those are on the second planting of those. And as I walk backwards here, I'm going to try this. You can see that, hey, these green beans right there behind me, those are looking really good, really healthy. I'm looking forward to those green beans. And then worked hard today in the garden, and Farmer Jenny cut all the grass today, and I worked in the garden. Still got some weeds out here. We can't, you know, it's just an everyday thing with us with the weeds. But hey, we're working at it. So right here's our butter beans row. We got a good crop of butter beans. As it gets hotter every day and these things really start growing. Here's our purple hull peas. These are really coming along. They're looking really good. And over here, you can tell back here right there behind me with all the black fabric is our watermelons and our cantaloupes. Those are really starting to spread. Let's see if we can get a little closer. You can tell some of these are starting to get some blooms on them. So those are starting to run and look really good. So I'm going to walk up here and we'll take a look at our squash. We got eggplants really taking off. I'll show you what those look like right here. This eggplant's really starting to get big. We got those staked up now. But these eggplants right there, ooh, those are gonna be good. People who love eggplant. Not everybody loves eggplant, that's what I've learned. But it's looking like we're gonna get a good crop of those. And then right here behind me, we have, this is all of our squash and got some more cucumbers right over here. And then back over here, we have our zucchini plants that are just continuing to produce. We've been picking those things twice a day. That's right, I said twice a day, in the morning and early evening. If we don't, they get too big, which is okay. Hey, here's Margie Gallup, one of my friends. She grows a lot of zinnias in her garden, and I thought those are looking really good. Look at those marigolds right there. Woo. Those are for pest control there. And hey, we got these pepper plants. The pepper plants are looking really good. And wow, those are getting big. We got, let me walk down through here and I'll show you some of the, we picked and sold some bell peppers yesterday. But we got a ton of these Hungarian wax, which is kind of like a banana pepper. These have really grown really well. I'll show you all those right in there. Woo! That. Those are going to be really good. And then we sold some jalapenos yesterday. And look at these bell peppers right here. Look at that bell pepper. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's good. We sold about 4 or 5 bell peppers yesterday. So those are really looking good. And then, hey, tomatoes. Man, I don't meet very many people that don't like a homegrown tomato. Right here behind me though, Those are 2 rows of cherry tomatoes. I've seen some people harvesting some cherry tomatoes, and I've pulled a couple off in the last couple of days and put them in the refrigerator, got them cold, and ooh, they're really good. I picked one right off the vine today and ate it right off the vine. So I tell you what, let's do that. I think I'm gonna pull one off down here. Let's walk down through here and see if we can find a good one. That one's pretty close. There we go. I think we're gonna pull this one. Yeah, I think we'll wait on that one. I don't know. Let's see. This one down here might be ready. I think this one right here is ready. Pull that one off. Woo! Look at that cherry tomato. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and eat that right here. We had pizza for dinner. Tomatoes. I'm gonna eat that too. That's so good. You got to get you cherry tomatoes. They're really good, right off the vine. Too bad I don't have a salad to go with it. It's really good. So we got a ton of tomatoes on the vine. They're gonna be coming up ready. Hopefully by the time that Farmer Jenny and I get back from vacation, we'll have some ready. These San Marzanos, let me show you these San Marzanos right here. Whew, look at those. Those are gonna be really good. And then these Roma tomatoes, here's a couple of Romas right here. Those are gonna be good for some salsa. And boy, these right here are the ones I'm excited about. And these are the Cherokee purples. They are big tomato. I mean, they're really, really big. See how big that is? Some big tomatoes. So those are gonna be turning, got all those strung up today, and those are gonna be turning ripe pretty soon. And right here behind me, we got 4 rows. You can see all those. We got 4 good rows of okra, jambalaya okra and the burgundy red okra. So hey, that's the garden right there behind me. Everything's going well. Hopefully Farmer Cole and Farmer David Smith will take a good care of our garden this week as we're going out of town. So hey, we'll check y'all out later. Remember, eat local, buy local, and talk to Jesus tomorrow morning. It'll be a good day for you to go. It's gonna be a good Sunday. So we'll see y'all later. Farmer Dale's out. Bye-bye.